Hey, Derek.
I'm Derek, and I'm the owner of this treasure-worthy property. Hey, how are you?
I'm doing good. So, you've been searching this property for quite a while, and you found some incredible finds. But there's this one find that you've been talking about, but I still don't know what it is, so I can't wait to see what it is.
Well, when we first found it, we thought it was a lock before it was all cleaned, and this is what we have.
It looks like a buckle.
Well, I believe it's from the Civil War.
So, what do you think it is?
Well, we think it's a buckle that came off a knapsack, a soldier's knapsack.
Interesting. Well, I'll hold on to this for now, and let's get hunting for treasure. So, it was nice meeting you.
Look forward to working with you.
So we can search part of the area here, and then areas you haven't searched yet, and let's get started.
We thought it was a lock before it was all cleaned, and this is what we have.
Where I'll be meeting up with landowner Derek at his property where he has had some incredible finds, and one possibly dating back to the Civil War.